Hey there, homeschooling heroes. Welcome back to Homeschool for the Whole Family. Today, we're diving into one of the most magical parts of fall. Why do leaves change color? I don't know about you, but every time the trees start turning those brilliant shades of red, orange, and yellow, I can't help but feel a little curious. Like, how does this happen? And what does it mean for the trees? Well, buckle up because we're about to break it all down in today's fall science lesson. So grab a leaf, maybe a whole pile of leaves, and let's get started. All right, let's start with a question. Why are leaves green in the first place? It's all thanks to something called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment inside a leaf cells that helps plants absorb sunlight. It's like the tree's very own solar panel. With sunlight, water from the roots, and carbon dioxide from the air, chlorophyll helps the tree make food through a process called photosynthesis. Now I know that's a big science word, but it just means that the tree is turning sunlight into energy. Pretty cool, right? And chlorophyll is green, which is why leaves normally have that beautiful green color during spring and summer. But when fall rolls around, well, something magical happens. The days start getting shorter, the temperatures drop, and this sends a message to the trees. Hey, winter is coming. In response, the trees start preparing to rest for the winter. They stop making food and begin to break down the chlorophyll in their leaves. As the green pigment disappears, the other colors that were sort of hiding underneath start to shine through. Yep, those reds and orange and yellows, they were all there all along. They were just covered up by the green chlorophyll. Now, here is where it really gets fun. The different colors and leaves come from other pigments. Yellow and orange? These colors come from pigments called carotenoids. Carotenoids are also what give carrots and corn their color. Red and purple? These colors come from pigments called anthocyanins. They're like the artist of the leaf world, painting trees in fiery reds and purples. Brown? And finally, when the leaf is fully breaking down, you get brown, which comes from tannins. The mix of these pigments, plus how fast the chlorophyll breaks down, is what creates the unique color patterns that we see in the fall. No two trees, or even two leaves for that matter, are exactly alike. Now you might be wondering, why do trees even lose their leaves in the first place? Well, it's all about survival. In winter, it's harder for trees to get water because the ground can freeze. So to conserve energy and water, deciduous trees like maples and oaks drop their leaves and go into a sort of hibernation mode. It's their way of saying, see you next spring. Evergreens like pine trees don't drop their needles because their needles are designed to hold water even in freezing temperatures. But deciduous trees, they let go of their leaves to protect themselves during the harsh winter. Okay, time for some fun facts. Did you know that the brightest fall colors happen when the days are sunny, but the nights are cool? It's all about the perfect balance of weather. Some places are actually famous for their fall foliage, like New England in the United States and Kyoto in Japan. People travel from all over the world just to see the leaves. Oh, and here's a cool one. Scientists believe that anthocyanins, the red pigments, may actually protect the leaves from sun damage as they're breaking down. It's like nature's sunscreen for leaves. All right, homeschooling families, now it's time for activities. Here are a few things that you can do to explore the science of fall leaves. Leaf rubbing. Grab a leaf, place it under a piece of paper, and rub a crayon over it to reveal its veins and structure. A leaf collection journal. Collect leaves in different colors and shapes. Press them in a book and label them with the type of tree that they came from. How about a chromatography experiment? Want to see the pigments in leaves up close? Well, crush a leaf, mix it with rubbing alcohol, and use a coffee filter to separate the pigments. You'll actually see the green, yellow, and red pigments appear. How cool is that? So there you have it. The science behind why leaves change color and fall. It's nature at its most incredible best. Let me know in the comments what your favorite fall activity is. Jumping in leaf piles? Sipping cider? or going on a hike to see the colors. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow homeschooling family, and hit that subscribe button for more fun lessons just like this one. Thanks for watching Homeschooling for the Whole Family, where learning is an adventure for everyone. I'll see you next time. Now go out and enjoy those fall colors. And remember, never stop learning.